Hello guys, how are you all? This is a full guide that how you can install Unity on your PC here on your browser. For this, you should click on the Unity official website and then click on the download option here that is available in front of you. From official website, you should click the download button and on the right top of screen you can see that a file is downloading right now. Now when you will click on the download option, the file will be downloaded on your folder. You should click it and try to install it on your PC. Like, let me just open it. You should agree on every terms available in front of you that is being shown to you. And the final thing you need to do is simply install it on your PC, and then you can check playing it that even it's not installing right now or not. So it is installed, and I will click on the finish button to finish the process. This is how you can download Unity on your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more updates, reviews, and videos like this.